Hello everyone. So if you're not aware how to send a voice message on WhatsApp on an Android phone, let me tell you. So here are some example. I've opened one chat and what I'm doing is on the right lower corner there is option of mic. You click on it, not just click but hold it once you click it, and if you want to remove it to cancel you can slide it on the left side, or if you want it to hold then you can first hold it starts recording and then you have to slide it up. So this is how it will look when you will speak, and you don't have to keep holding it, right? If you want to pause it, there's option in the middle in the red, the two parallel lines. If you want to delete it, then on the left corner there is option of dustbin that will help you to delete. And if you want only the other person to listen to the voice message once, you can click on one, right? And the seconds I mentioned, how many seconds of the voice message is there, right? So that's how we send, and these are the features of a voice message, right? And if you want to obviously send it, so that's the very easy thing. The green circle, that's how you click on the green circle with the black arrow in the middle and you stop holding it, right? And obviously you can delete the text, whatever text you have sent, whether voice message or not. You hold it, you click on delete on top, and you click for delete everyone, delete for me, or don't delete it, right? So that's a choice again. If you've sent it by mistake, if you want to keep it, or you want to delete it for yourself. So that's how we send a voice text. And you can get a transcription also for the text, the voice text you have sent. And you can also get a transcription of voice message, which I have covered in another video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Ta-da!